Hi, to take screenshot on your Vivo V40, we have several ways. And first one is really simple and basic. You just need to find this power button on the right side of your phone and the volume down buttons, which we need to hold at the same time, and the screenshot will be taken. You can tap it and add it here, for example, resize. Here you can share with the screenshot, you can edit it and draw something on the screenshot. You can even translate the text in your screenshot using this feature. Let me show you this once more. Let's take a screenshot. So this third one is for translation. If you want to delete your screenshot, just tap this recycle bin, and to save it to gallery, tap the save button and it will be immediately saved. Now, as for not so basic screenshot taking, we can just swipe down using our 3 fingers. And now the screenshot is taken as well. I guess that is really cool feature and it is really comfortable in use. And also, we can open any web page, for example this Canva one, take usual screenshot, but now we can see this option for long screenshot. Now with the help of this feature we are capturing the whole page. So you can see that it is automatically scrolling, or you can use your finger to scroll manually. And when you are done capturing, just select the save option and the screenshot will be saved to your gallery. Let's check it. Here we need to find our photos gallery. In the albums, we can go in the screenshot, and that is how the long screenshot looks. So you can zoom it in a bit and check the whole page. This is really cool and useful. And that is the basic screenshot. Also, you can check the settings of the screenshot. For that, we need to go in the settings. Here, scroll a bit to see this section shortcuts and accessibility, and after that go in as capture, and here you will find this to feature screenshot floating window, which you can enable or disable, and slide down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.